Everyone, this is Tim from YourSec Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable cookies on Samsung Internet. So what we can just simply do is go to this option right here, then go to the three little lines, tap this, and go to Settings. Now scroll on down through here, and we are looking for options for sites and downloads. Then go to where it says Site Permissions, Cookies. Scroll on down, and this is where we can decide if we want to block all cookies or allow them on the top, or this third option, block third cookies. So you can decide it if you want to do that here. Then we have this option, temporarily allowed cookies in site data. We can just click that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.